There's some sort of a military activity going on in that area. I am in an electric rickshaw, if you want to call it that, to Shalimar Bagh, Shalimar Garden. The cost is 200 rupee. And to my left are boat houses that Srinagar is known for. I'm at Nishat Bagh, which is a Nishat garden. Oh, it's very hot compared to Leh. You have to get your ticket at the ticket counter before entering the garden. It's like it's 24 rupee for adult and 12 for children. This is Nishat Bagh, Nishat Garden. Very pretty, well maintained. It's a very big garden. It's almost like a park. So many people here. Weather is very warm. Clear skies, a little bit of clouds. Very beautiful. There's so many people, so many people. Many families enjoying the day in the shade. It's a beautiful garden, very big. Very nice garden with a pretty big mountain in the background and Dal Lake on the other side. I arrived at Mughal Garden Shalimar. The ticket cost is 24 rupee for adult. This is the most famous garden. So let me go check it out. I am inside Shalimar Bagh or Shalimar Garden. The garden here doesn't seem as big as the Nishat garden. Similar to Nishat garden, many families enjoying their time together under the shade in Shalimar garden as well. This garden doesn't have as many people as the first garden, Nishat, but still very nice with a big mountain in the background. I heard the city of Srinagar is 95% Muslims. I believe this garden is about 400 years old. This garden would have looked spectacular when it was originally built, with the water everywhere. Beautiful garden, but looks like it's been neglected for some time. I see many places they need to be renovated.
It's out of bamboo.
Looks very simple, but you make beautiful music.
Yeah, it's very
Wow,
simple.
very light. It's made out of bamboo.
Because I'm not rich, I cannot buy heavy.
Oh, you make beautiful music though.
Thank you very much.
Beautiful. just got into a shared taxi from Shalimar Garden to main gate is 40 rupee per person, which is a pretty good deal. I just got off the shared taxi. This is near the main gate. A lot of vehicles here. Good morning, it's 8:18 a.m. I left John Friend's guest house. I am going to rent a motorcycle and go to Pelgam and spend the night and come back tomorrow. This is Royal Enfield gunmetal gray 350 cc engine. This is the bike that I'm renting to go out to Pelgam. It's different than the Himalayan bike that I had rented before. So because it's more for city driving and not off-road for sure. This kind of suspension. Let's see what. You can hear the engine. It's not that loud. Small engine. Hi, I'm eating breakfast at A1 Rasoi. This is bread omelette double, 60 rupee, and this is black coffee, 20 rupee. I am on my way to the top Gulmarg. This is a forest viewpoint, altitude 2609 meters. Spectacular view, clean, crisp air. Air is much cooler up here than in Srinagar, obviously. Very nice. It's 5:15. I am on my way to Pelgam. I am about an hour and 30 minutes away from Pelgam. Making good time. This is a big open highway, which is very nice. Easy to ride here compared to the city, obviously. To Pelgam, there's some sort of a military activity going on in that area. The CRPF, Central Reserve Protection Force personnel stopped me from proceeding to Pelgam, so I turned the bike around. I'm heading back to Srinagar. It's 8:26 p.m. I just returned Royal Enfield 350 back to the Asia Tour and Travels. This is where I rented the Royal Enfield from for 1,500 rupee. This bike ran pretty good. The engine is a little underpowered in my opinion, but it did the job. A little disappointed I couldn't go to Paragon, but still very good. So if you're in Srinagar, I recommend you to check out Asia Tour and Travels to rent motorcycles. Hello. I'm having dinner at Annapurna Bhojanalaya. It's a 100% vegetarian restaurant, but they have a lot of different vegetarian options, and they make a lot of food fresh, as you can see. This restaurant is packed with customers. This is green salad, 60 rupee. This is paneer tikka masala, 220 rupee. And this is butter naan, which is 50 rupee. I wash my hands. Wow, this naan is really good. Very nice. Excellent food, excellent food. Service is a little slow because so many customers are here, but the food is very good. Price is very reasonable.